Hey guys, welcome to another video of the do-it-yourself crawler track build. While I was on the track, I came up with a very good idea to make a high altitude turn, how I would like to call it. Let's call it a head. Well, what's the plan? I've got one big boulder at one side and one at the other side. My plan is to make some sort of bridge which is a couple of feet in the air, and on the bridge you will make a turn and then go straight onto the other boulder. So across it's approximately 1.5–2 meters, but the turn will be much higher because the ground beneath there is approximately 3 feet or 4 feet high. I've made a small layout with some boards. I had some leftover cuts from construction, and these are exactly the right size for the width of the car. So what I'm going to do, I just laid a small track on the table itself, and I'm going to connect them all to each other. And yeah, let's see if it's strong enough to hold a car at altitude. So let's go on with it. Okay, so my plan is just to connect all the boards to each other, and while connecting them at one point at first, then you could you can slide them a bit from each other, and then you can create a big turn. So you can all position them just in the same way. Then you can make also a bridge, but I am just going to place them a little bit in an angle, so we can make the turn that I am looking for. So guys, I just finished connecting all the boards to each other. As you can see, this is the result, but currently they all can move. And we don't want to have that. So now I am going to lay them all as a nice turn, and then I will use some nails to connect them all to each other again, so the boards cannot move anymore. So let's continue with that. So the first part of the bridge, the head, is completed. As you can see, it turned out pretty nice. It's got a nice turn in it, but it's still not very stable. So I'm going to reinforce it with some timber, just some small pieces. I'm just going to connect to the bridge itself, to all the boards. So all the boards are also connected, not only at the beginning of the board, but also at the end of the board. So let's continue with that part. So guys, the first part of the head is ready, the high altitude turn. So what I did, I made some extra supports underneath here, just some extra timber to give it more support, because only the nails and the screws and the board were making it too flexible in my opinion. So this is what I came up with, and it's very durable now. So how to connect it on the track itself, I'm not sure yet. I am I'm planning to use some beams. So if you're coming off the boulder, then you should drive on 2 of those beams, just exactly with your wheels on the beams itself, and then you can enter the head. And from there on, you should make the turn, and also with 2 beams again, going onto the boulder itself. But yeah, I will see that when I'm going to the track and build it, and yeah, let's see what happens. So guys, I just have finished the work on the head, the high altitude turn. So let me show you around. So the first part of the head is crossing this section over there. It's a bumpy bridge. When you have crossed this part, you will enter the big boulder. And then you will have two big beams which you should cross to enter the head. The beams are secured with a couple of screws to the big boulder over there. Once you have crossed those beams, you are entering the turn itself, and you have to came all the way this side, and also these beams are connected to the boulder itself. So the whole platform is very stable, it's very sturdy, even when you are driving with a couple of cars on there. I have make some extra posts which are in the ground. So this one and that one is secured, no, not very deep, but it's secured in the ground. And that one over there is just leaning against the big boulder over there. As you can see, it's got a nice height. It's approximately, let's say, 5 foot high. So it's it's nice. I think it came up pretty nice. So thank you for watching. If you've got any questions or suggestions, please leave a comment below. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. See you next time, guys. Bye bye.